Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python versions installed. Now start. Open VS Code in your project folder, then press Ctrl+Shift+P and run Python. Select Interpreter. Choose the interpreter that matches your project, System, Conda, PyEnv, or a virtualenv. Do this early so workspace settings update. Once selected, VS Code links language services, linting, and debugging to that interpreter, which is why this step is the foundation for consistent runs and tests. Once you open the interpreter picker, locate the exact interpreter or click Enter Interpreter Path to paste a full path. If you use a virtual environment, create it with Python mvenv. Venv and then select that. Venv interpreter so dependencies stay project local. Make sure the bottom left status bar shows the interpreter name. Open an integrated terminal and run Python version to verify. Doing this avoids version drift between editing, testing, and terminal runs. To finish, restart VS Code so all services pick up the change, then run a quick Python C import sys, print sys, executable sys, version, or press F5 to launch the debugger. If the wrong version runs, check that your terminal activates the chosen virtualenv and that path points to the intended Python. A common troubleshooting tip: disable other Python extensions and reinstall the Microsoft Python extension, then reselect the interpreter. This often
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.